Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are diving headfirst into an absolute storm that is completely taking over the internet right now. We are talking about rocking star Yash highly anticipated upcoming movie Toxic. Now, let's be real. Ever since KGF Chapter 2, the entire world has been waiting for Yash to see what he does next. And I think the hype for this upcoming movie is through the roof. And also the journey for this film has been an absolute roller coaster. Originally, Toxic was supposed to be dropped on 19th of March, setting up an absolute clash against Ranveer Singh's Durandar. But then it got delayed and pushed to June. And now finally, the release date has been locked for August 26th. But that is not why the internet is melting down today. The maker just dropped a brand new teaser titled as Ladies and Ladies, and the internet has been blowing up. And I have also heard that the teaser is incredibly bold, creepy, and borderline insane. People are actually questioning the censor board that how can you release such type of content. We are hearing rumors about insane censorship issues, heavy sexual themes, objectifications, and a dialogue that people are calling completely unhinged. But here's the catch. The movie is explicitly subtitled a fairy tale for grown-ups. Therefore, it justifies the thrill and the dark side. Where some people are discouraging this kind of content, some people call it a styled masterpiece. I haven't watched it yet. So, is it too vulgar or is it just cinema? Let's find it out together and let's react. Nice. They're giving a warning beforehand. Mhm. Nice.
Love. Love makes monsters of women. It is a beautiful illusion if one understands the depth of its deception.
Whoa.
And yet here we are. Fighting for his scraps of devotion.
My goodness.
लेडीज एंड लेडीज एक एक करके आओगे या एक साथ आओगे
Oh my goodness. So this is what they were talking about.
But here comes a plot twist, ladies. Don't forget the predictable spectacle of men and their cocks.
Okay, so let me catch my breath. What did we saw just now? I completely understand the online rage bait. People are going to call it vulgar, creepy, and argue about the objectification, especially since none of these actors got even one single dialogue. But honestly, this was a piece of cinema. The aesthetic is absolutely insane. It is going to be one of the raw and hard hitting films. And talking about Yash, he looks like an absolute monster. A very flirtatious monster, though. The swag, the style, the underworld vibe. It is a total 10 on 10 for me. And I also found the dialogue very hard hitting, something which is very deep and very true. And the teaser itself started with a warning and something that the kids should not watch. It was an amazing strategy by the makers. I think I'll be watching this in cinemas for sure because the first teaser that I watched, the car scene and everything, was a hype in itself, and this has actually elevated it altogether. And in my opinion, I think if a movie explores toxic and dark relationships and the brutal reality of a gangster underworld, it is bound to be uncomfortable to watch. And also, avoiding the clash with Durandar was the smartest thing they did, I think, because I think Toxic requires its own space to let the adult theme breathe without the box office pressure. For me, it was thrilling, exciting, and something that I'll be looking forward to watch on screen. And with this, it will be a wrap up from my side. I thoroughly enjoyed the teaser. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Please share and subscribe for more such content. And don't forget to mention in the comment below what is the next video you want me to react on. Till then, take care. Bye.